What's up, tech titans and market mavens? Welcome back to Microsoft Sphere, where we break down the big plays shaking up the financial world. First up, we've got Advisors Asset Management Inc., making a significant move, increasing their stake in Microsoft Corporation. This isn't just a small adjustment, it's a substantial play that's got everyone talking about MSFT's position in their portfolio. But the story doesn't stop there. We're also tracking AlTi Global Inc., who recently adjusted their holdings in Microsoft Corporation. What does this shift mean for the software giant? We've got the details on their latest SEC filing and how it impacts their portfolio strategy. And hold on to your hats, because Ariel Investments LLC has also made a notable change to their Microsoft Corporation stake. We're dissecting the numbers behind their decision and what it signals for the market. Get ready for a deep dive into these institutional shifts. Finally, we're shifting gears to a critical development. Microsoft Corporation is facing potential antitrust fines over its popular communications app, Teams. We'll break down the concerns and what this means for the future of the software giant. Stick with us for all the essential insights, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Advisors Asset Management Inc. makes major Microsoft move. This is huge. Advisors Asset Management Inc. has significantly grown its stake in Microsoft Corporation, adding more fuel to the fire for MSFT investors. In the first quarter, they boosted their holdings by 1.2%, acquiring an additional 3,505 shares. This strategic acquisition now makes Microsoft its third-largest position, representing a substantial 2% of their entire investment portfolio, valued at an impressive $108,845,000. The tech giant, Microsoft Corporation, is a global leader in software, services, and devices, with its productivity and business processes segment, including staples like Office, Teams, and Microsoft 365 Copilot, driving significant revenue. This investment by Advisors Asset Management Inc. underscores the continued confidence in Microsoft's market dominance and future growth potential, especially as the company reported strong Q1 earnings, with revenue up 18.1% year-over-year and EPS beating estimates. This move by Advisors Asset Management Inc. is part of a broader trend of institutional interest in Microsoft. Other major players like Norges Bank and Nuveen LLC have also recently increased their stakes, while Gamma Investing LLC saw a massive surge in its holdings. The market is buzzing with reactions, with analysts maintaining a moderate buy rating and an average target price of $612.54, reflecting strong analyst conviction in MSFT's trajectory. Don't go anywhere, because the big money moves keep coming, and next, we're looking at shifts from AlTi Global Inc. AlTi Global Inc. adjusts Microsoft's stake amidst market flux. In a dynamic market, AlTi Global Inc. has recently trimmed its holdings in Microsoft Corporation, selling 16,726 shares during the first quarter. This adjustment means Microsoft now accounts for approximately 0.8% of AlTi Global Inc.'s portfolio, positioning it as their 19th largest holding, valued at $29,805,000. This move occurs as Microsoft Corporation continues to demonstrate robust financial performance, recently reporting Q1 earnings that surpassed analyst expectations with $3.65 EPS and $76.44 billion in revenue, an 18.1% year-over-year increase. Despite this specific portfolio adjustment by AlTi Global Inc., the broader institutional sentiment remains largely positive, with hedge funds and institutional investors collectively owning over 71% of MSFT stock. Market watchers are closely observing these shifts, with analysts generally maintaining a moderate buy consensus for Microsoft. Recent reports from firms like Bank of America and Morgan Stanley reflect this optimism, with many reiterating buy ratings and increasing price targets, indicating sustained confidence in Microsoft's long-term prospects despite individual fund adjustments. We're tracking every significant investor action, and next up, Ariel Investments LLC is making waves with their latest Microsoft trade. Ariel Investments LLC rebalances Microsoft position. Ariel Investments LLC has recently decreased its holdings in Microsoft Corporation by 3.1%, selling 4,009 shares in the first quarter. Following this transaction, Ariel Investments LLC maintains 123,894 shares of Microsoft, valued at $46,509,000, highlighting a nuanced approach to their investment strategy. This adjustment comes as Microsoft Corporation continues to solidify its market position, reporting strong quarterly earnings and revenue growth. The company's diverse portfolio, spanning cloud services, software, and hardware, remains a key driver of its financial strength. Institutional investors, in general, continue to show significant interest, with over 71% of MSFT stock held by these entities. While Ariel Investments LLC has adjusted its stake, the overall analyst sentiment remains bullish, with a consensus moderate buy rating and an average price target of $612.54. Brokerages like Barclays and Wells Fargo have recently reaffirmed overweight ratings, signaling continued confidence in Microsoft's growth trajectory and market leadership. But the news doesn't end with portfolio adjustments. A major regulatory storm is brewing for Microsoft, and we've got the details next. Microsoft faces antitrust heat over Teams app. Microsoft Corporation is now in the crosshairs of regulatory bodies, potentially facing a significant fine due to antitrust concerns surrounding its popular communications platform, Microsoft Teams. This development could mark a crucial turning point in how the tech giant manages its integrated suite of products. The scrutiny centers on allegations that Microsoft may be leveraging its dominant position in other software markets to unfairly promote Teams, potentially stifling competition. This investigation is part of a broader global trend of increased regulatory oversight on major technology companies and their business practices, particularly concerning bundled services and market dominance. This news has sent ripples through the market and the tech community, with users and competitors closely watching the outcome. The potential fine and any imposed remedies could significantly impact Microsoft's strategy for product integration and market expansion moving forward. Analysts and industry experts are weighing in on the potential ramifications, with the outcome of this antitrust review being a key factor to monitor for MSFT's future. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Stick around for our lightning round recap and don't forget to subscribe. And that wraps up another packed edition of Microsoft Sphere. We saw Advisors Asset Management Inc. significantly boost its Microsoft stake, while AlTi Global Inc. and Ariel Investments LLC adjusted their positions. Plus, Microsoft is facing antitrust scrutiny over its Teams app. Don't miss out on any of these critical market updates. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all social platforms for real-time insights. See you next time.